Hey, what's going on, my friend? Justin Temple here with a quick video on Supreme Profit Systems business opportunity. If you're looking for more information on the Supreme Profit Systems direct 100% payment commission high ticket business opportunity, then this is the perfect video for you. I'm going to share with you how this system works and why I'm the perfect sponsor for you to work with, what my bonuses are, and how I actually help you inside of my Supreme Profit Systems team. So please stick to the end to get all of my bonuses. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell notifications for future videos. And again, my name is Justin Temple. So let's get into this video really quick and talk about Supreme Profit Systems. Alright, so here's the page right here if you haven't seen. Basically, it is a 100% upfront commission system where you can accept payments by whatever means you want. So you can do Zelle, PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, you can do Stripe, you can do Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, you can do whatever you want to be able to accept commissions, okay? And so you can accept $500 commissions, $1,500, $3,500, $7,500, and even $11,000 in commissions directly to you. And so when you receive those commissions, you're going to send your member a registration page, and they're going to register at their level, and then they're going to pay the admin fee to be able to get access to their system. Okay, so very, very simple program, and there's not a whole lot to it as far as like the complication of the sales funnel or like upsells, downsells. This is basically just what it is. Okay, these are the levels, and then there's an admin fee. So when we go right here and click the button, okay, so here's the 48-hour action taker bonus. So here's what's really exciting about Supreme Profit Systems and why I really love this high ticket program. Okay, so the reason I love this high ticket program is because when you get started at the $1,500 level, you will actually be upgraded to the $3,500 level. Okay, and there's some important information I'm going to walk you through on that so that you don't miss it. But if you get started at the $3,500 level, you'll get upgraded to the $7,500 level for free. Okay, and if you get started at the $7,500 level, you get upgraded to the $11,000 level for free. Okay, so really powerful bonus in Supreme Profit Systems, and this is what's going to make people really want to upgrade inside of this program, and they get huge benefits to be able to earn multiple thousands of dollars more in commissions because of the upgrade. Okay, so what you need to understand about this upgrade really quick is when I scroll up, there's admin fees. So really quick, when you get started at the $500 level, there is no upgrade. You're going to pay the $500, pay the $167 admin fee, and you'll be at the bronze level, able to accept $500 direct payments. Now, when you get started at the silver level, the $1,500 level, normally it's a $247 admin fee, and you can pay that and be at the $1,500 level, or you can pay the $1,500 and then pay the next level admin fee to be upgraded to that next level. Okay, so pay the level and then pay the next level admin fee. Okay, so if you want to be upgraded, you do the $1,500 and then pay the $347 admin fee. If you want to be upgraded from here, you'll do the $3,500 and pay the $447 admin fee. If you want to join here and be upgraded, you'll get started here and pay the $547 admin fee for the diamonds. Okay, so that's how the Supreme Profit Systems upgrade program or system works, and it's really, really powerful. And so the admin fee is only $100 more per level, not that much, and you get a lot more earning potential. Okay, so you get thousands of dollars in bonus value for being upgraded. So that's what's really important to understand, is when you get started at the $1,500 level, pay the $347 admin fee to be upgraded to the gold level. Okay, and then so on. Now, When you get started at the diamond level, there's no level to be upgraded to. You're going to pay the $547 admin fee. And so what's the benefit of getting started at the diamond level? Now, in the company, they say the diamond level is you get a $1,000 advertising campaign free of charge. And then I actually don't really like that, because you're paying Supreme Profit Systems $2,500 to run a $1,000 advertising campaign, right? So the difference between $7,500 and $11,000 is going to be $3,500, and they're going to run $1,000 in advertising for you. Well, on my team, one of my bonuses is my proven traffic source. So I'm just going to give you my top proven traffic sources, and you can spend $3,500 on my top traffic sources, rather than having Supreme Profit Systems take $2,500 to spend a $1,000 campaign in traffic for you. So I'm going to help you 3.5x your traffic budget if you want to get started at the diamond level. So I'm actually really smart, and I help the average person. I'm not just here to collect all the money and collect as much as I possibly can. I'm here to actually help you get started where you want to get started in the best place possible, and then show you how to deploy your capital in the best way possible to actually get results with Supreme Profit Systems or any opportunity. Okay, so this is really important to know. And then let's go to the next step real quick. So when you actually decide to get started and send your $1,500, $3,500, or $7,500 to me, what's going to happen is I'm going to send you an email to this page right here, and this page is going to go ahead and allow you to register for your account. So you're going to send the payment, you're going to go ahead and get this email, click on the link and get this page, and you're going to register for your account. Okay, so we're going to click right here on register. Alright, whoops, let me try that again. Register. Alright, so here is, you're going to see Postcard Lifestyle right here. Okay, so that's going to be my sponsor username. And then what you're going to do, what's important on this page, is when you actually create your membership level. So anyone that gets started at the bronze level, at the $500 level, you're going to actually create your membership at the $500 level, because you do not get an upgrade, right? Now, if you're going to get started at the $1,500 level and be upgraded to the $35, you're going to actually create your account at the level you're going to be upgraded to. Okay? So if you want to start get started at the 75, okay, so let's say you want to do the 35 and be upgraded to the 75, you're going to create your account at the 75. Okay, so wherever you're being upgraded to, that's where you're creating your membership level. Does that make sense? Very, very important to understand. Please, please, please make sure to do that. Otherwise, you're just going to have to use a new email and make a new account, which isn't a big deal, but just make sure to do it right the first time. So that way there's no issues. And then really quick, Supreme Profit Systems has its own done-for-you autoresponder and capture pages. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, 7 capture pages. And then we also have each one has a name and email, or a name, email, and phone number. So I guess there's 14 capture pages, but 7 different designs. And then these work very well. However, on my team, I teach you how to be a really professional affiliate and do it the right way. So I don't recommend that you send traffic to these pages. I actually build you a done-for-you custom funnel that you can just send traffic to. It doesn't take you really any work. And so I'll build you the funnel, and so you can get way better results, and people will get to know, like, and trust you, and it'll brand you. Okay, so let me show you what I do for you on my team. Really quick. So right here's the capture page that I build for you on my team. Okay, excuse me. So here's the capture page that I built for you. It works very, very well, converts very, very high. When I first sent it to my list, it was converting it in the 60%, and then it's about in the 50% now. So really, really great capture page right here. And then when people go ahead and enter their name and email, they will go ahead and visit this next page right here. Okay, so this is my Supreme Profit Systems funnel. Okay, and this is what you're going to have, and this will be a picture of you on this front page. Okay, so this will be a picture of you, and it'll be branded to you. Okay, so check this out. When we push play, down here we got this picture of me. This will be a picture of you. This will be your information down here. If you want your Facebook information, we can put that here too. We can put text only as well, right? So that way people don't call you if you don't want direct calls. So be contacted is what we can put down there. If you want WhatsApp or something, just let us know or let me know. But anyways, here's the bridge video that I created. It has testimonials, okay? And then here's the bridge video of me telling my story, explaining my home business story, how I got started, and how I help my team, how I coach my team, and then basically calls to action to click the button. And then we go into more testimonials right here again. Okay, so I basically will help you do this. So see this bridge video? I help my team create bridge videos themselves. So check this out. So here's another team member that I have named Brittany, and she created a bridge video using a slideshow. So you don't have to do a phone video of your face and be on camera. I can actually help you put your story in a slideshow, and you can just record the slides and make like a 6-7 minute video just reading the slides and recording your screen. So however you want to do it, I make it really easy for you and I build it for you. So it's literally nothing to have an awesome high converting branded funnel built for you, and I'm nowhere in the funnel. So check the it's taking forever to load. And then also with this funnel, I set up 30 emails with your signature, your name, your email, your phone number, your picture, going back to your thank you page with your bridge video. Okay, so check this out.
Super short video for you. Thank you so much for deciding to watch this video. You are here because you want to earn an extra $3,000 per month in the next 90 days.
Okay. So I help people and coach people on exactly how to do a branded funnel. Okay. So let me go ahead and go here real quick. Okay, so when the timer runs out, the button pops up right here, the button pops up right here, and then we have our team bonuses that pop up. So one, I build you this branded funnel on my team as a bonus in Supreme Profit Systems, no matter what level you join at. You get personal coaching and access to me. Call me, email me, text me anytime. I'll help you with any part of your business, whether it be capture pages, emails, postcard marketing, or whatever you need in your business, YouTube, Facebook marketing, however you want to promote, I'll help you. Whether you want help calling people and whatever you need, I'll help you. Okay, so proven traffic source is another bonus. So I'll give you exactly my proven traffic sources to get high converting buyers to Supreme Profit Systems. And then I'll also get you clicks from my proven traffic source. The $500 level will not get clicks, but the $1,500 level, $3,500 level, $7,500 level, and $11,000 level will get clicks. So I will go ahead and buy clicks to the custom funnel that I build for you so that you can get very powerful results using the Supreme Profit Systems automated high ticket program. Okay, so thank you so much. My name is Justin Temple. I'm a real coach. You're actually going to get real help after you get started on my team. Everyone else you're just going to be sending money to, and no one's going to help you. I'm the only one that's actually going to help you, build stuff for you, coach you, and make sure you get results. So go ahead and click the link down below, and I'll see you on inside, my friend. Thank you so much.